Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Usha from BBA PPU first year. Today, I'm here to give a presentation on the topic lookup function. So before we proceed, I would like to thank Raju sir who has given me this opportunity to present my presentation in front of all. So before knowing the process, we should know that what is lookup, why is it necessary, and what are the benefits of it. So the term lookup has different meaning depending on the context, but generally it refers to the searching specific data or retrieving data from a predefined sources such as database, table or directory. What are the benefits of it or why is it necessary? It is necessary to extract data dynamically without repetitive manual entry, and the benefits are it saves our time, increase accuracy and flexibility. So now we will see that how it works. So on the screen, I have given some data, which is here it is in vertical data. And now if I want to find the tax here, I'll write the income here and I'll get the tax. But how it will work? I have to write a function which is equal to lookup, open bracket, and here I have given two formula with different parameters. I'll go with the second one. So which says that lookup value. So this is my lookup value. I'll select this one, comma, and the table array. This is our table array, and I'll select the whole table and press enter. I'll get the data, and it is $20. So for 6,000, we'll see that it is $20 or not. So here $20. So it is absolutely correct. What if I'll just select another data? I'll just copy paste it. Copy. So for 25,000, here's the data. Tax $25. So it's absolutely correct. And what if we'll write some data which is not in this data box? So what will happen? Here I'll write 3,000, which is not in the data box, and enter. I'll get the number which is $15. Why it has happened? Because it works in top to bottom in ascending order. So it gives me $15 because it gives me approximate match, because here it finds from top to bottom and it didn't find the 3,000 number. That's why it given the approximate match, which is $15. And it's a vertical data. Now we'll work on horizontal data. Same here, I'll write income, I'll get the text by using the function. I'll write 1,000 and the function equal to lookup, open bracket, it's our lookup value, and select comma and select the data. It gives us $15, which is absolutely correct. It also gives the same thing, which is if I write something which is not in the box, I'll get the data approximate match. I'll write 4,000. It gives also $15 because 4,000 is not in the box. That's why it gives $15, which is approximate match. And now I'll move to here. I have some vertical data, which is big data. If I want to find the phone number, I have to write the function. I'll write 0, 1, 50. For this, I'll write the same function which is equal to lookup, open bracket, and look. This is our lookup value, and this is our lookup table array, comma, and then table array. Wait. And then enter. We'll get the number which last digit is 95. For last digit 450, it is 95, which is absolutely correct. What if we'll just copy paste another data. For 51, we'll get the data 38, which is absolutely correct. Now we'll move to the next data. Now here it asks for first name and ID number. So for that we have to write the ID number and we'll get the first name by using the first formula, which is equal to lookup, open bracket, and here's the first formula which is asking for lookup value, lookup vector or result vector. So here it is our lookup value, comma, and this box is our lookup vector, comma, and because it's asking for first name and this is our first name, so this is also our result vector. We have to select this whole and enter. So it gives the name Kurt, so it's absolutely correct. And now I'll choose another one. I'll just copy paste it. For it we will get the number name Avishka, which is absolutely correct. And lookup function also lookup function uses for horizontal and vertical data both, but it always works in top to bottom ascending order. So that's all from my side. I hope you'll understand. Thank you. I hope you'll understand this concept. So now I'll ask a question to the class. If anyone can answer that, what you understand from this, what is lookup function? If anybody can tell me.
Or anybody from the batch, you can ask your question to her. Right? From the student side, you can raise your question if you have any sort of issues in this conversation, in this presentation. Nobody has any question? Okay. Is that concept clear to everyone?
Yes.
If the concept is clear to everyone, any one person can define what is lookup in your way. Who can explain? Yeah, stand up and explain.
Function of MS Excel which helps to identify huge data in a similar way. If we put formula of lookup, so we can find the data from a huge table easily by using lookup function.
Anybody else want to ask anything else? So let's say how you decide. One question from my side, Usha.
Yes.
How you can decide, how your lookup is going to decide whether the data has to be searched horizontally or vertically?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat, please?
My question is, let's say you have the table data you have,
Yes, sir.
and I wanted to search a data. Obviously, then can I have a control on this so I can look up the data vertically or horizontally?
Yes, sir. By using lookup function, if we have vertical data, we can use the lookup function, and if we have horizontal data, we can also search it by lookup using lookup function. But the thing is that in a lookup function, only in lookup function, it works in top to bottom or in ascending order. It gives us approximate match if some data is not in that table, and if we'll find if we'll search that, it will give us approximate match.
But still my question is unanswered. Whenever you are going to search a data, it does the decision of themselves. Okay, whether they want to go for horizontal search or vertical search, that depends on if your table is having a more number of columns and less number of rows, it is going to search data horizontally. If your table is having a less number
Less
of column,
number.
more number of rows,
Then
it is going to
it's
search the data vertically.
vertically.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
the big disadvantage of,
Of lookup.
your lookup function.
Function. Yes, sir.
That is why the Microsoft has stopped this particular lookup function, and they have come up with the two more functions, HLOOKUP and VLOOKUp. HLOOKUP was specialized for horizontal lookup. VLOOKUP was,
Vertical.
or it is specialized for
Vertical lookup.
vertical lookup.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing is that data has to be sorted out here in your table.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, it was a excellent presentation
Thank you, sir.
from yourself.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.